Okay, so now we are playing Wind in the Trees, which is in the performance book, which is the green book, and we are on page 4. Okay? And this song is a little bit different than anything you've ever played before because it has a chord, which means that 2 or more notes are being played at the same time. And in this case, it's only 2 notes. So that's what your chord looks like. It's your second and third finger being played at the same time. And when the music looks like that, that is how you're going to play it. Okay? So I am going to play it and I want you to count with me. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1,